Hello, everybody. This is John Druney here in New York, where we are getting pelted by the big nor'easter slash blizzard that hit us on March 14th, I believe this is. 14th, 15th, somewhere around that time period. Anyway, this is what we are getting right now. We got this last night, and it's still going on in the morning. And that is how deep the shovel is. Let me see if I can pull that up. That's how deep that is. I hope you were able to see that. This all goes up to like in between my legs. It's over here. And if I can get a good shot over here. This is my driveway. I have not shoveled it yet, and that's my car over there. I don't know if I should shovel because I got work tomorrow, and, well, this has to go, but it's going to be one heck of a trip shoveling all this, especially while the snow's still coming down here. But I thought I'd shoot this quick little video, so I thought you'd all like to see just what we New Yorkers are getting pelted with, and I'm not even in New York State. Well, New York City, sorry about that. But anyway, thought you'd all like to see this, because I can't go anywhere with the travel ban. But yeah, that's all.